black man, 6 feet tall and about 162 pounds. He has hazel eyes and brown hair. He is wanted on a murder charge for a homicide in East Chicago. An agent from Ready Transport of Green Bay, Wisconsin, was transporting.
Hey guys, come take a look at this.
In the area of 35th and Grand
Come take a look at this.
The agent called Gary police, and
There's a murder in Lake County. There's a double homicide, Lake County, Indiana.
Oh.
Lake County Sheriff's Department officers.
This is a pretty rare alert to catch.
Along with the Lake County Aviation Unit helicopter and K-9 unit. At the time of escape, Taylor was wearing a
goodness.
with handcuffs and a leg brace. He was also wearing a gray hoodie with an additional black hoodie underneath, black Puma tennis shoes, and black jeans.
Nah, it's in Lake County. We're in LaPorte. It's good.
He is known to East Chicago and Hammond, Indiana.
And I have the bed in the kitchen. I can knock him out if I want to.
Of a radius of approximately 250 miles from the Lake County Jail are handled by the courts. The Lake County Sheriff's Department is then notified of an estimated time of arrival to the Lake County Jail. In this case, the Lake County Sheriff's Department.
I gotta get my Sanji in. Adam Stevens doing this?
Taylor's whereabouts is asked to call 911 immediately. This suspect is considered to be dangerous. Sheriff Oscar Martinez Jr.
That's the know-how.
Lime, drink some water. We pace ourselves. The holidays never have to end. Why is there carrot in there? Tough news. That's your snowman.
Mr. Snowball?
Yeah.
Those are ours?
Go on, drink up your snowman.